So quick update from me. I was busy the whole day with Fiona's UI, but even more so with sitting with Nina. And we are trying to use her brilliant state machines. She defined for all our processes state machines in Xstate. And now we have to set up messaging between them. And we have to do it in a way that we can restore the entire state when the process crashes from the database. But sadly, Xstate doesn't do that. So we have to write our custom interpreter to allow that feature. And I've been working a lot on trying to see how we integrate our state machines with our messaging system. So on this side, we are having some examples that are written in Xstate. And here I'm trying to puzzle together a little bit of a simplification that will work well with our messaging system. But Nina is already using Xstate, so now we're trying to find something that gets as close as we can to integrate with the messaging system and the database, which is hyperbee and hypercores in this case, so that it will work. And I can continue then hopefully with the rest of this restructuring. And at some point we're making it all work. I don't know. So yeah, that's it from me. I can't say much. I was sitting with Nina, but I think Nina kind of shared already the details about it. So if you want to know more, you watch Nina's summary for today.